Noong Nobyembre 14, 2009 naganap ang laban na magtatala sa kasaysayan ng boxing, ang Manny Pacquiao laban sa Miguel Cotto ng Puerto Rico. Isang laban ng bilis laban sa lakas ng puso laban sa tapang. Marami ang nagduda. Mas mabigat si Cotto, mas sanay sa welterweight division. Ngunit para kay Pacquiao, isa lang ang layunin. Ipakita na walang imposible sa Pilipino. Round 1 at 2, mabilis ang simula ni Cotto. Sinubukan niyang gamitin ang jab at lakas para kontrolin si Manny. Pero gaya ng dati, gumagalaw si Pacquiao na parang hangin papasok, lalabas, umiikot. Hindi pa man tumatagal ang laban. Ramdam na ngang lahat, iba ang bilis ng Pinoy.
The exchange here. Cotto absorbs a combination. Cotto's had his moments. He goes southpaw.
Round 3 at 4, at dito na nagsimula ang pagbabago. Isang kaliwang tuwid, bagsak si Cotto.
Beautiful counter shot by Pacquiao. Oh, there he goes. And that's a bad break for the...
Tumayo siya, pero muling bumulagta matapos ang isa pang kombinasyon. Ang mga manonood nag-iingay.
Cotto down. There's nothing flukish about that one. He brought the punches up from the body. Beautifully done by Pacquiao.
Can switch because he's a natural southpaw.
Oh, nice movement from Cotto to avoid the shot. He's down again. Combination puts him down.
He's hurt this time. He's very wobbly. I'm watching his legs. He's trying to get his legs back. He is very wobbly.
Ang mga komentaryo hindi makapaniwala. Pacquiao, isang dating flyweight, ngayon ay pinapatumba ang welterweight champion.
Oh, a 10-8 round again.
And more than that, he hurt him.
He hurt him. He outslugged the slugger.
You can do this, Miguel.
All right, let's take a look at it. Pacquiao, just a brilliant left hook. Look at it, it's a one-punch knockdown. And you could see he was actually flagging in the wind, it looked like, before he went down.
Pacquiao with the flurries and a beautiful left hook of a sort of an uppercut. Here it is. Series of uppercuts. Cotto coming forward using his momentum, and Pacquiao with his power punch catching him with
Round 5 hanggang 8, pinilit bumawi ni Cotto. Pero bawat suntok niya may kapalit na 3 o 4 mula kay Manny. Ang bilis, ang galaw at ang instinct parang may sayaw sa gitna ng ring. Isang sayaw ng disiplina at tiwala.
Beginning to take on a very jaded look here now as Cotto came through, and that was a quality left hook that Miguel landed, driving Pacquiao back, as you can see, thrown with speed and really a lot of power.
Pacquiao answering with a big shot. Manny Pacquiao putting Cotto up against the rope, unleashing combinations, just missing with the body shot there.
Round 9 hanggang 11, duguan na si Cotto, ngunit ayaw sumuko. Tumakbo siya sa paligid, sinusubukang magtagal, pero si Manny kalmado, determinadong tapusin ang laban.
They're just asking Miguel, can you give me one more round?
In terms of the punch count, and the rate is way down for both guys in this fight. And credit Pacquiao, he's controlled this pace the entire fight. There he goes when he wants.
There's a body attack.
He got caught coming in there, but he's full of fight now, halfway through the 10th.
Round 12, wala nang kailangang patunayan. Ngunit si Pacquiao hindi tumitigil hanggang sa huling segundo.
Well, I would think so. 3 minutes to go.
At nang pumasok ang referee para itigil ang laban, tumunog ang buong arena.
Stinging combinations at any minute. And also the knockdown. When will it ever end for Pacquiao? There is no limit, it seems, to what this man can do.
I said it,
As he's now welterweight champion of the world.
Nick, I said it after the Ricky had.
Panalo sa TKO, round 12, Manny Pacquiao. Pagkatapos ng laban, niyakap ni Manny si Cotto. Walang yabang, walang galit, puro respeto. Sa press conference, Cotto, he's the best fighter I've ever fought. At si Manny, simpleng ngumiti. All glory to God. Para sa mga Pilipino, hindi lang ito tagumpay sa boxing. Ito ay tagumpay ng isang bansa. Mula sa hirap, mula sa probinsya, ngayon ay inspirasyon ng mundo. Ito ang laban ng bilis at lakas, ng puso at pananalig. Ito ang kwento ni Manny Pacquiao, ang taong nagpatunay na ang Pilipino, kahit gaano kaliit, ay kayang maging alamat